Now we can move on to assets. As you can see here, we have an option to add a new asset. Click on it and then click the plus icon. Next, fill in the asset information. For example, a printer. Give it a name, assign a category, for example, multimedia, and add a description. You can also add photos, YouTube videos, and documentation about the resource. Then set the position in a very similar way as we did for IoT devices. There is one difference here. We have a slider which controls the distance between the icon and the placement point on the wall. Once that is done, we can create the asset. Now the first asset is ready. You can create many assets across your entire space. If you want to duplicate an asset, go to the Assets dashboard and create a copy. Then return to the 3D view. Now you will see two copies of the same asset. Here we have the original printer and the printer copy. You can edit the copy and set its position somewhere else. Save the changes. This is very useful. For example, if you have multiple chairs, you can define one chair once and then duplicate it several times in just a few clicks. There is no need to fill in the same information repeatedly. Next, we have events. To add an event, go to the asset and open the Events section. Here you can add a description and define the start date. For example, starting tomorrow, repeating every month. After saving, the event will appear here. It will show the schedule, for example, monthly maintenance. When you click the event, you are taken directly to the related asset. And that's it.